Welcome to Playdates with Teacher LS. In today's video, I was thinking, why not switch things up a bit with a little bit of a dance? Last December, I did a dance video on Angel Champ, which I hope you enjoyed as I also taught that to my children during their online distance learning class. And now, as we open a new month, which will be March, our new thematic focus will be on health and wellness. And that is why I have prepared a little bit of a dance choreography for you to learn and dance along to remind you to always stay healthy and stay well. So if you're ready, let's get to it.
Ito ba ay may sustansya? Health goal mo ay wellness. Balance what you eat, malunggay, rice and meat. Health goal mo ay wellness. Start our health goals. Eat healthy, dapat pagkain na sapat. Sabay-sabay kumain ng lahat. Huwag magpapauhaw, tayo nang gumalaw. Tara na sumayaw. Goals, health goal mo ay wellness. 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 Come on, treat our bodies good. Time to give them healthy food. Drink water like you should. Keep moving, yeah, we feeling good. Start our health goals. Eat healthy, dapat pagkain na sapat.